Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall EarTrumpet from your Windows computer in 2026. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or no longer need the application, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, select Apps, then click Installed Apps. Scroll through the list or use the search box to find EarTrumpet. Once you find it, click the three-dot menu next to EarTrumpet and select Uninstall. A confirmation message will appear. Click Uninstall again to confirm your choice. Wait a few moments while Windows removes the application from your computer. After the uninstall process is complete, check the system tray near the clock to make sure the EarTrumpet icon is no longer there. If the icon is still visible, restart your computer to complete the removal. If you decide to use EarTrumpet again in the future, simply open the Microsoft Store, search for EarTrumpet, and install it again. That's how to uninstall EarTrumpet in 2026. The process only takes a few minutes and completely removes the application from your Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.